Hi everyone, this is my Schecter Hellraiser. It's given me a bit of grief with fret buzz. Excuse my cold. First off, the high E string is nice and clean. No dramas. B string is fine. G string is fine. D is fine. Maybe a little bit of a buzz on D, but geez, I could live with that. So when we get to the A and low E, just do them open. That's A. That sounds alright. When I start fretting, I don't know if you can see my finger location, because someone mentioned that before in the post. A little bit. But this E string, geez. Sorry, a dog's barking in the background. All the way. It's a little bit there, not too bad. Last fret's pretty clean. A little bit of a buzz maybe. But certainly anywhere on the fretboard. So there's buzz all over the shop. Thank you.